Hey there, have you ever been told to avoid certain foods because they are unhealthy, only to find out that they are actually amazing for your body and weight loss goals? Well, in this video, we are busting the myth and exposing truth about food that we've been misled about for far too long. Yes, the food industry and the diet culture have lied to you, to me, and to everyone. You know what's interesting about the truth? It sets us free. Here's the thing, in the world of weight loss, there's a ton of misinformation out there. Foods get labeled as bad, fattening, or unhealthy. But some of these villains are actually weight loss superstars. They are nutritious, filling, and great for keeping your energy levels up, especially when you are meal prepping, prolonging a fast, or just trying to live a healthy lifestyle. Stick around. I promise you, you'll be surprised by what's on this list. First up, full fat yogurt. I know the diet culture drilled into us that low fat is always better. But hear me out, they are wrong. They lied. Full fat yogurt is packed with healthy fats that keep you fuller for longer. Plus, it's a probiotic powerhouse, which means it helps your gut health. A key factor in weight loss, so don't shy away from it. Pair it with fresh berries, and you've got a perfect snack. I've been able to reduce my body mass index from unhealthy to healthy. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. You don't have to take my word for it. I added other people's opinion to this video. Take a listen.
So if you drink low-fat or non-fat milk, you're not absorbing the fat-soluble vitamins that are essential to help strengthen and build bone. Whole milk has all the essential nutrients, fats, proteins, it has some carbohydrates.
It's balanced.
You can now absorb your fat-soluble vitamins. It's the way that milk comes as a package. Yeah. Low-fat, by the way, low-fat and non-fat milk is a relic of the fat is bad for you era.
Aren't you going to get more of the lactose than low fat as well as you remove a lot of the fat nutrients out of whole milk?
It's the same. It's just now.
Well, it's the same, but now that's more highlighted.
It's now just sugar protein in there.
Okay, chocolate lovers, this one's for you. Dark chocolate. Not creamy, I'm talking about 70% cocoa or higher. It's actually your friend in moderation. It's rich in antioxidants and can help curb cravings. Plus, having a small piece keeps you from reaching out for that sugary dessert. It's a win-win. You don't believe me? Here's what he has to say.
So, studies have been done to show that the flavonols in cocoa stimulate stem cells to come out of your bone marrow like bees in a beehive in your bloodstream, and they go out and they find wherever it needs to be repaired. If it's in your heart, they'll fix it. If it's in your liver, they'll fix it. If it's in your skin, they'll fix it. And so we can eat foods like high flavanol cocoa in order to be able to actually get the stem cells to work a little bit better. Now, how do we know this actually functions, works in people? Well, clinical studies have been done with high flavanol cocoa to show that in men who are in their 60s with heart disease, they could actually just have 2 cups of dark chocolate hot cocoa a day for a month. Yeah. And they doubled the amount of stem cells in their bloodstream, and their circulation improved measurably. And then what's even more important and impressive is that there was a study called the Cosmos study that was completed recently that showed that eating high flavanol cocoa decreases the risk of cardiovascular death.
Yeah.
Right, over a period
like a statin.
Like a statin, right. Exactly. Except made with by eating the same thing that you use to make chocolate. So we're not telling people to go out to have chocolate, which is a confection, which has got a lot of sugar and all kinds of other stuff in it. Yeah. But it's the stuff underneath it, the core of it.
Another lie they told us: eggs. How many times have we heard that eggs are bad for cholesterol or your heart? Recent studies have debunked this myth. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. They are perfect for meal prepping or quick breakfast that will keep you full for hours.
85% of the cholesterol in your bloodstream comes from your liver. Only 15% of the cholesterol in your blood comes from diet. So if you eliminated all the cholesterol in your diet, you'd only affect your cholesterol level by 15%. Eggs, even though they contain cholesterol, do not raise your cholesterol.
Another one on the list is butter, animal fats, not margarine, not plant-based, but butter. Here's what he has to say.
Eat more butter. Now I'm talking about proper butter, not margarine or low-fat versions that are just toxic. Artificial, made with inflammatory seed oils and devoid of any nutrition. I mean, just read the ingredients list on the pack and see for yourself. Now compare that to the ingredients in real butter. It's just cream, fat and a little salt. Now do not buy this myth that high fat makes you fat. Our bodies need fat to function properly. Butter is rich in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K. It contains CLA, omega-3 and MCTs, which are extremely good for the heart. High-fat foods like butter alongside an animal-based diet will get you feeling and looking your best. And plus, it tastes unreal.
For meat lovers, here you go.
I feel so damn dumb ever thinking that beef was bad for you. I'm telling you, fats, this is phenomenal for you. That's beef fat. You want good skin, you want to feel good, use this. Oh, Ray, it's smoky. Don't give a rip. We're just searing the fat cap. We're going to give the edges a nice crust. Lay it on its side, give it a firm press. After 2-3 minutes, go ahead and flip her over. Grass-fed liver, nice little fillets. I'm going to put about yay much in there. Let that melt, waterboard the hell out of it. Grab a little sauce dish, dump all this tallow and butter. Dip your steak, dip your eggs in it. Phenomenal. Liver, I'm telling you this stuff, it's gold. It's so good for you. I absolutely burnt that butter. I don't give a rip. I'm gonna scramble these. Drinking coffee because I can. Oh, it's still carnivore. Ask me if I give a rip. Eggs are dark because I burnt the butter. This is so freaking good. Ew, gross. Oh, especially don't eat this for breakfast. I would stick with Lucky Charms or Cheerios.
You see, these food aren't just good for you. They are downright amazing for your weight loss, meal prepping, and overall health. So don't let outdated advice stop you from enjoying them. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods will you be adding back to your diet? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click on that notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.